I mean, as much as I think everybody's reaction who knows Sanju would be the same. We are relieved, we are happy, and as always, I'll pray for the fact that this whole thing that has happened around him, keeping justice and jurisdiction in mind, everything else sorted out for the best of Sanjay Dutt. See, I appreciate and I recognize the fact that if some kind of unlawful aspect is attached to Sanjay Dutt's life, there has to be a punishment attached to it. None of us in the film industry believe that he should not pay if he's made a mistake. We also believe that he has paid a lot already. And we also, when it comes to someone personal, there will always be this attachment that even if he pays a little less, it's all right because we love him. So one would wish the best for Sanju. We all hope his all this trial, not the jurisdiction one, just his personal trials and turbulence gets over fast, and he leads a nice, normal, healthy life. Because in our hearts, in the whole film industry, nobody thinks, and now neither does the justice think that he is part of terrorism. There is a case against him. Hopefully, it will get sorted out, and he'll be all right. We'll only be too happy when it's sorted out for him.